In this lecture, I'm going to solve this question. A college professor never finishes his lecture before the end of the hour and always finishes his lectures within 2 minutes after the hour. Let x is equal to the time that elapses between the end of the hour and the end of the lecture, and suppose the PDF of x is this. In part A, we have to find the value of k. Well, we know that this is a probability density function, so that means the integration of fx dx from minus infinity to infinity should be equal to 1. And we can see that the x can take values between 0 and 2, so this implies we can write it as the integration of fx dx from 0 to 2 is equal to 1. So this implies the integration of kx square from 0 to 2, kx square dx from 0 to 2 is equal to 1. And as k is a constant, so we can take it out and we can write it like this. The integration of x square is equal to x cubed by 3, right? And these are the values that we have here, and this is equal to 1. Solving this, we get 2 cubed divided by 3 minus 0 equal to 1. And this is k multiplied by 8 divided by 3 equal to 1. So this implies that k is equal to 3 by 8, which is equal to 0.375. So this is the value of k, and with this we are done with the part A. Let's now move to part B. In part B, we have to calculate the probability that the lecture ends within 1 minute of the end of the hour. So that means we have to calculate the integral of fx dx, and in this case the x value will go from 0 to 1. And this is because we are calculating the probability that the lecture ends within 1 minute of the end of the hour. The x can take values between 0 and 2, and because the lecture ends within 1 minute of the end of the hour, so that means the x will take value between 0 and 1. So this is what we have to calculate. So now we can write it as kx square dx, and this is equal to, we can put the value of k here, it's equal to 3 by 8. So this is equal to 3 by 8, and integrating this we get x cubed by 3, 0 and 1, and this is equal to 3 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 3 minus 0, and this is equal to 1 by 8, and 1 by 8 is 0.125. So this is the probability that the lecture ends within 1 minute of the end of the hour. Now let's move to part C. In part C, we have to calculate the probability that the lecture continues beyond the hour for between 60 and 90 seconds. As everything that we have been given in the question is in terms of minutes, so let's convert 60 and 90 seconds in minutes. So we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 90 seconds. So this is equal to 1 minute and 90 seconds is equal to 1.5 minutes. So to solve this question, we have to integrate f of x dx from 1 to 1.5, and this implies that it is equal to kx square dx, and we have to integrate it from 1 to 1.5. Putting the value of k, we get 3 by 8. As it is a constant, we can take it outside, and integrating this we get x cubed by 3, and the values that we have here are 1 and 1.5. So this is equal to 3 by 8 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 divided by 3 minus 1 cube by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. And solving this, we get 0.297. So the probability that the lecture continues beyond the hour for between 60 and 90 seconds is 0.297. Now let's move to part D. In part D, we have to calculate the probability that lecture continues for at least 90 seconds beyond the end of the hour. So that means we have to integrate f of x dx from 1.5 to 2 because 2 is the maximum value that x can take. This is given to us in the question, and 90 seconds mean 1.5 minutes. So this is equal to kx square dx, and we have to integrate it from 1.5 to 2, and we can write it as 3 divided by 8 multiplied by x cubed by 3 and 1.5 and 2 here. This is equal to 3 by 8, 2 cube divided by 3 minus 1.5 cube divided by 3, and solving this we get 0.578. So this is the probability that the lecture continues for at least 90 seconds beyond the end of the hour.